Ram Dakota. The Chinese-built ute with an American name, the new Ram Dakota, set to launch in Latin America, is a surprising blend of heritage and international manufacturing. While bearing a classic American nameplate, this mid-size ute isn't a product of U.S. engineering. It's a rebadged Chinese model from Chang'an Automotive, built in Argentina. This move marks a shift in Ram's strategy, leveraging global partnerships to expand its pickup lineup. A familiar name, a new origin, the Dakota name last appeared on a U.S. market midsize truck, discontinued in 2011. Now, it's been revived for a Latin American model, but with a twist. Unlike the larger Ram 1500 series or the Brazilian-built Rampage, the Dakota is based on the F70 platform from Chinese automaker Chang'an. The rebadging is a cost-effective way for Ram to enter the competitive midsize truck segment in markets like Argentina and Brazil. Specs and features: the Dakota will be equipped with a 2.2-liter turbocharged diesel engine, producing 149 kW, approximately 200 HP, and 450 Nm of torque. This powertrain will be paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and a 4-wheel drive system. Key features include towing capacity, 3 500 kg, 7,716 pounds, payload, up to 1 020 kg, 2,248 pounds, safety tech, autonomous emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist interior, 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment, digital instrument cluster, leather upholstery on higher trims. The Dakota will also offer a surround view camera system with a unique, transparent chassis mode, enhancing off-road visibility. Market strategy and Australian prospects: the Ram Dakota will initially launch in Argentina in December 2025, followed by Brazil in 2026. However, it won't be sold in Australia, at least for now. Ram Trucks Australia is focused on securing the next generation US-developed pickup, scheduled for production in 2028. The Dakota's existence raises questions about whether Ram might reconsider its Australian market strategy, given the ute's capabilities and the growing demand for mid-size pickups. Why this matters: the Dakota's origins highlight a growing trend. Automakers relying on global partnerships to accelerate product development and reduce costs. By leveraging existing platforms from manufacturers like Chang'an, Ram can quickly enter new markets without massive upfront investment. This approach is particularly relevant as the automotive industry shifts towards electrification and shared vehicle architectures. The Dakota's launch demonstrates that traditional brands are increasingly open to sourcing components and even entire vehicles from non-traditional automotive hubs like China. This could reshape the industry landscape, with more cross-border collaborations becoming commonplace. The Dakota is a prime example of how globalization is blurring the lines between American, Chinese, and Latin American vehicles.